Yours at Parks in the Air, Whiskey 4 Fox Delta Tango. Ending in Papa.
Roger, roger. Kilo, India 4, November, Sugar, Papa.
Kilo, India 4, November, Sugar, Papa. You're 5'9", Northwest Georgia, part number 2187.
Roger, roger. Good copy. You're an honest 5'9", North Carolina coast. Name is Tom. Stay well. Good contact.
Thank you for the contact, friend 73. Hi, I'm Dwayne, Whiskey 4, Foxtrot, Delta Tango. Today we're going to do a Parks in the Air activation. We are in Northwest Georgia at park number 2187, Sloppy Floyd State Park. And we've got the park pretty much to ourselves. It's windy today, so pardon the wind noise if you've got any. But we got the park to ourselves. We're going to activate and work till dark, and we're going to see how many contacts we can get. Stick with us and I'll show you the setup. So today we're going to use the Buddistick antenna. This is the Buddistick Pro. The only difference between the Buddistick Pro and the regular Buddistick is the additional feature here of the Versa mount. That's what it's called. It's a triangular shaped mount that you can mount on top of the clamp or on top of your pole that the antenna screws in the very top of it. I'll show you what it looks like put together. This is the regular kit. You get 2 regular whips, 2 small arms to make 1 22-inch arm, and of course coax and your counterpoise. And they have the addition of these shot corded legs that you can buy. This fits on the bottom of the triangular mount to make a tripod so that you can put the antenna up. You wouldn't need a regular tripod or anything like that. I think it's pretty neat, but you can't use it if there's any wind. You would have to guy it down pretty good. Today I'm going to set up using the long whip and 4 arms so we can make a full, well, we're going to use a coil too, but we're going to make a longer 40 meter than just the regular Buddistick. I'll get back with you when it's all set up. Okay, this is the operating area that we're going to do today. We're at Sloppy Floyd State Park, K2187. We're going to operate here from the pavilion. We've got pretty much the park here to ourselves. We're going to be using the Buddistick Pro today. The Buddistick Pro is not for sale yet, but basically it's the Buddistick Mini with just a few extra parts, and I'll show you. Here is the operating position for today. The radio setup, we've already set up the antenna. It's got low SWRs. We're using the Ft-891. We're going to use the iPad to log. We're going to use a 16 amp hour Miady battery. We've been using that on our activations and it's worked out very well. So over here is the Buddistick setup. Again, it is the Buddistick Pro. The only difference between the Buddistick Pro and the regular Buddistick is the addition of the Versa hub. As you can see here, it's a triangular hub where you can connect the antenna to your counterpoise and your coax. You can see the counterboards right out there. This Versa hub will connect to the clamp mount or a regular tripod as you see here today. It does come with the 3 shot corded legs to make this a tripod, but to me the tripod's kind of flimsy, so if it's doing any kind of wind you'll have to guy it down. So today I chose to use my rigid tripod because it is a little windy. I don't know if you can see that too good, but we do have 4 arms. The coil is center loaded and the long whip at the top. So 4 arms, coil, and long whip. We're going to operate 40 meters. So that's the setup. Let's get to it. Okay, this is Whiskey 4 Fox Delta Tango. We're going to bring you along as we begin the POTA operation. We've been listening to this frequency for about 5 or 6 minutes. We don't hear anything on the frequency. So I'm going to go ahead and get myself spotted on the POTA network so that we can get some contacts when we get started. And then I'm going to make sure the frequency is clear and we're going to start operating. So I've spotted myself on the spotting network. So we're ready to go. Is this frequency in use? Whiskey 4 Foxtrot Delta Tango. Is this frequency in use? Whiskey 4 Foxtrot Delta Tango. Is this frequency in use? Whiskey 4 Foxtrot Delta Tango. I'm going to call CQ. CQ Parks in the Air, CQ, 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 CQ Parks in the Air, CQ Parks in the Air. This is Whiskey 4 Fox Delta Tango calling CQ for Parks in the Air. Kilo Echo 0 Bravo Victor Queen, you're 5'9", Northwest Georgia, part number 2187, QSL.
QSL, you are 5'9" in Missouri. Appreciate the park.
Thank you for the contact, friend 73. CQ for Parks in the Air. CQ Parks in the Air. This is Whiskey 4 Fox Delta Tango. Alpha Juliet 3 Oscar. You're 5555 Northwest Georgia, park number 2187.
Roger, roger. You're 58 Indiana, Western Pennsylvania. Thank you for the activation and for the contact. 73.
Thanks for the contact, friend. 73 QRZ for Parks in the Air. This is Whiskey 4 Foxtrot Delta Tango.
Alpha Juliet 8 Lima Zulu Kilo Golf.
Okay, Alpha Station, Alpha Station.
Alpha Juliet 8 Lima.
Alpha Juliet 8 Lima, you're 55 also here in Northwest Georgia, part number 2187.
All right, well, thank you very much. You are 5 Kilo Echo 8 Central Ohio. Zulu November 8 Lima.
Thank you for the contact in Ohio. 73 friend. QRZ for Parks in the Air. Whiskey 4 Fox Delta Tango. Whiskey 9 Bravo. Whiskey 9 Bravo.
Yeah, this is Whiskey 9 Bravo Lima Zulu, Southern Illinois.
Whiskey 9 Bravo Lima Zulu, you're 59 here in Northwest Georgia, part 2187.
Yeah, you're 59 here in Southern Illinois, 73.
73 friend, thanks for the contact. The mobile station, the mobile station.
Whiskey 9 Mexico X-ray Canada Mobile, number 9 Mike X-ray Charlie Mobile, you're 59. 59 in Illinois, name is Larry, go ahead.
Okay, Whiskey 9 Mary X-ray Charlie, thanks for the 59. You're also about 55 here in Northwest Georgia at part number 2187.
I got the 2187 and the 55. Well, thank you a lot for the comeback. Thanks for your activation. You stay safe.
Okay, 73, be safe out on the road when you're mobiling. QRZ at Parks in the Air, Whiskey 4 Fox Delta Tango.
Kilo Echo 8 Zulu November.
Kilo Echo Station, Kilo Echo.
Kilo Echo 8 Papa Zulu November.
Kilo Echo 8 Papa Zulu November, 59 Northwest Georgia, Park 2187.
Roger that, you're at 59 in Chapmanville, West Virginia. Thanks for the activation, 73.
Thanks for the contact, friend. 73 QRZ for Parks in the Air, Whiskey 4 Fox Delta Tango.
Kilo Charlie 9, Hotel Echo, Quebec. Kilo Golf.
Kilo Charlie 9, Hotel Echo, Quebec. You are 59 Northwest Georgia, part number 2187.
QSL 59, 59 Southern Illinois, Fraction of Park.
Thanks for the contact, friend. 73 QRZ Parks in the Air, Whiskey 4 Fox Delta Tango. Tango Tango.
Whiskey Bravo 3 Lima Tango Tango.
Whiskey Bravo 3 Lima Tango Tango. You're 55 here in Northwest Georgia, part number 2187.
QSL 5555. Thanks for a new park 2187 and have a nice day. WB3LPT.
Thank you for the contact, friend. 73 QRZ Parks in the Air, Whiskey 4 Fox Delta Tango.
Juliet Foxtrot Alpha.
Whiskey 4 Juliet Foxtrot Alpha, is that correct?
That's correct.
Okay, you're 59 Northwest Georgia, part number 2187.
Thank you very much. You're 58 here in North Carolina. Thanks a lot.
Thanks for the contact, friend. 73 QRZ Parks in the Air, Whiskey 4 Fox Delta Tango. Kilo Bravo 3 Zulu Kilo Golf, you're 59 Northwest Georgia, part 2187. So that's going to wrap it up for the activation today. I had a good time. We had almost 200 contacts in the log. The Ft-891, the Buddistick, the Miady 16 ampere battery performed flawless, like always. I bring those out every activation. It was beautiful in the park today here in Northwest Georgia. It was a little bit over 70 degrees. The wind, we had some wind in the beginning, but it did die down. It made for a beautiful day to play radio. Hey, if you're in a ham radio and you don't know about Parks on the Air, join the website, parksonair.com. Join our Facebook groups. Check it out. Come out and play radio with us in these beautiful parks. It's starting to be summer or springtime. It'll be summer soon. The weather will be beautiful. Get out in the park and activate. Have some fun. Until next time, I'm Dwayne, Whiskey 4 Fox Delta Tango, 73.